The art of detaching Velcro tapes without damages.
Hello everyone! Today, we're going to talk about a common but vital topic: how to remove Velcro tape without damaging the surface it's attached to. You might find Velcro tape in all sorts of places. Maybe you've used it to hang decorations, secure cables, or for a quick fix around the house. Now, you want to take it off without leaving a mark. We've got you covered.
What determines the damage?
First things first, let's understand what can cause damage when removing Velcro tape. It largely depends on two factors: the strength of the adhesive used on the tape and the fragility of the surface it's stuck to. Strong adhesives might cause more damage, especially on delicate surfaces like wallpaper or antique wood.
Prepping for the removal.
Before you yank off that Velcro tape, it's important to prepare. Heat, applied carefully, is your friend here. Using a hairdryer, gently warm the tape. This will help loosen the adhesive and make the tape easier to remove. Hold the hairdryer about 3 to 4 inches away from the surface to avoid any damage.
The proper removal technique.
Now that the adhesive is a bit more pliable, it's time to start removing the tape. Do not just pull it off, as this could cause damage. Instead, try to peel the tape slowly from one edge, pulling it back on itself. If you meet resistance, apply a little more heat.
Dealing with residual adhesive.
Once you've removed the tape, there might still be some sticky residue. Don't worry. A bit of isopropyl alcohol on a soft cloth will usually remove this. Test the alcohol on an inconspicuous spot first to make sure it won't harm the surface. Once the surface is dry, any remaining adhesive can be gently scraped off with a plastic scraper or old credit card. There you have it. With a little patience and the right technique, you can remove Velcro tape without damaging the surface beneath. We hope this video has been helpful. Remember, the key is to work slowly and carefully. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time with more useful tips and tricks.